Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Easy and Tasty. Today we are going to make pancakes. We need 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of sugar. I used coconut sugar. 80 grams of milk. Whisk together. 1 cup of whole wheat flour. Gently whisk together. Teaspoon of baking powder and teaspoon of salt. Whisk together. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Gently whisk together. When eggs look dry, you can turn over. At the end, I decide to add Greek yogurt and maple syrup for sweetness taste. Decide to decorate with some fruits, but it's up to your taste. If you like my recipe, you can leave some comments or subscribe to my channel. Eat well and be